Alright, we are here at Homewood Suites Hilton in Phoenix, next to the airport. This was a last minute reservation because our flight was canceled for today, and they actually have keyless entry here, and it actually works, unlike the other hotel we were staying at. So I got on the sidewalk, okay? That's why I moved on the sidewalk for him. So anyway, here is the lobby. So we already know what room we are. And we're going. They got a little condiment, or, oh, sorry, I didn't know what I'm saying. Snack bar, elevators. All right, we just been driving from Tucson, so sorry if I sound a little out of it or crabby, because we have been driving for the last 3 hours. All right, here we go. Elevator. Okay, that's not the elevator button. How's that look again? Okay. See, I'm totally out of it. Oh man. 4. So anyway, everything is on the phone. We didn't have to go to the front desk. Actually works at this hotel. Unlike, like I said earlier, it was supposed to be like this at the hotel in Tucson, but it didn't work. What number again? 404?
402.
402. And so downstairs, it looked like they had a small food area, and then, you know, if you forgot any deodorant or toothpaste, you can pick that up. Just typical hotel stuff. Suite 402. All right. And we chose the Hilton because we have a Hilton card. We get points that will, and then we got a free upgrade because they're nice. I think we ended up having to pay around $250, but when you book a room last minute, that happens. 406. Look at that.
We're at the end, I think.
We're at this end then? I like the carpet. Very 1980s. It doesn't, I mean, I'm not saying it's from the 80s, but it's an 80s motif. I like it. All right. How does that work with the phone? Oh my God. Technology is so amazing. Oh man, we did get an upgrade. This is a kitchen.
Oh my God, what a kitchen.
We're not going anywhere tonight. We're not gonna hang out here. This is so nice.
Huh.
All right.
Holy crap, it's actually huge.
This is a nice upgrade. Very nice.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. This is
Wow.
very nice. Oh, and look. They did not have this. This is wrapped in plastic to show that they cleaned this. What was the last hotel we stayed at? The Embassy Suites?
Yeah,
that was not like that.
Hilton as well.
Oh, really? Sorry, Hilton. You need to talk to your Embassy Suites. They're not as good as this hotel. Oh, and we get a tub. And a mirror. And another mirror. All right. All right, for our last minute hotel room, I'm quite impressed. Little coffee machine. I like the motif of everything. I like the gray.
Really good.
I like the color. Look, second TV remote that's sanitized. The view. Oh my God, whatever this building is over here, they have their own little 4-hole golf course. What is that over there? I'm gonna have to find out what that is because that's funny. And so the airport is, I see a tower over there. So I'm assuming that's the airport over there. That's the mountains we just came from. So we just checked into our flight for tomorrow. Technically it's not canceled yet. We checked in, so hopefully we won't have to extend our stay. But if we do, this is a nice room. Very nice. All right, we are in the hotel lobby. They have a little continental breakfast. You can make waffles, cereal, coffee, bagels, muffins. Oh, they got little peanut butter, bananas, yogurt. Oh, I like that. Little single servings of juice cups. And I got some hot food. I wasn't expecting hot food. That's nice. Oh, home fries and sausage links. Oh, I think they're gonna have biscuits and gravy. Oh, it's an omelet. And then, oh, this is oatmeal. That's what that is. Very nice. All right, I got an omelet, home fries. He got an omelet, sausage. Waffles is tempting, but honestly, I'm not really that hungry because we're just stressed beyond belief. And then we got bananas for the airport. Save that for later. And I love apple juice, and Robert always drinks orange juice. I like orange juice too, but I prefer apple juice. All right, I should always listen to my husband. I had him put the luggage in the car because we were leaving. And as we're eating our free breakfast, they canceled our flight. So the Hilton, super, super nice. We went to the front desk. We get our room, the same room for another night. And it was gonna be a higher rate because it's Friday, but she's like, we'll keep you at the same rate. So they let us keep the nice room at the same cheap rate. Thank you very much, Hilton. That was very nice of them. And so now we're gonna put our luggage back in our suitcase in our hotel room because our flight was canceled. We were supposed to leave today at 4, and now we're not leaving till tomorrow at 6 a.m. So one more night at the Hilton. I don't think we'll get free breakfast tomorrow because we'll be leaving before they put the breakfast out, but thank you, Hilton, for giving me the same room discount.